Good morning everyone, so we're looking at another Invicta watch review. We're going to be looking at the S1 Rally today rather than a Invicta Pro Diver. So initial look at the box though is a nice yellow and black theme, very common for the Invicta brand. Full embossing on the logo and the strap line go around the outside here, and a simple folding lid. Inside you would find a lot more sort of plasticine than this, but it's I've just taken it off just for the sake of the video. It took sort of a lot of time to sort, well, not a lot of time, they just took it was fiddly trying to get most of that stuff off, and so yeah, but inside you get a lot of sort of plastic covers and stuff like that. But let's have a look at the main watch and look a little bit and learn a little bit more about it. So this is the Invicta S1 Rally, 48mm case diameter with a 14mm case thickness. Retails around 100 pounds, weighs probably 170 grams, and uses a VD54 spec quartz movement. As you can see from that sort of, well, you can't see the specific caliber, but you can see from just the quartz movement that it's, I'd say it's decent quality. So, looking at the dial here, we've got these sort of hidden numbers just in the main matte black style dial here, embossed in the face. Go faster gold stripes. Obviously the watch is lots of gold detailing going on here. Tachymeter in the actual inside indented style bezel within the actual mineral glass itself. Got a full chronograph here that counts up to 30 minutes, and you've got a GMT function, and obviously the stopwatch tracker down there. Full Invicta gold logo as well. Just have a look at the chronograph movement. Looking at these buttons, you may think, oh, don't they screw out like a Daytona? They don't. They just press. I'll show you what that wind back, simple wind back function on that as well. Nice fully luminous hands as well. This watch comes with a 100-meter water resistance. So let's come back to the casing. So the casing is a full stainless steel with sort of a jet black finish to it. Quite glossy. Coming down to the strap, got a 22mm lug strap, quite a unique style strap going on here with lots of holes in it as well, just to get that gold detailing fitted in the strap. Genuine leather strap with line stitching going down there. Full stainless steel screw-on style backplate with that S1 Rally print on the back. Let's have a look at the crown. Simple one position crown. A little bit flimsy moving it around, but it's not too bad. So there we go guys, that is the Invicta S1 Rally.